She thought she had that bitch in reverse. Nah, shorty, you got that bitch in drive. You got that bitch down. Oh, shit. Nah, but that ain't my window. Top of the morning, top on my head. I need a haircut. But anyways, y'all, today we got a little video, man. We got this weird ticking noise going on with Smokey, man. I'm gonna let y'all hear it because I don't like it. It's hideous. But if y'all new to the channel, please like and subscribe. It's your boy RealWillDrive, and we back with this little video with more fire content coming soon. I promise you that. But let's get that cold start in. But no, this ticking noise been going on since about a month ago. I'm just now seeing what's up with it because it wasn't, you feel me? I wasn't really thinking about it too much, but now I am, you know? But yeah, I just got off of work to do this little appointment. Hopefully, well, probably I'm gonna have to drop the car off, but we gonna see how that goes, man. Hopefully it's nothing too serious. But I love seeing, I love going through the little tunnels. Go through them little tunnels, just hit gas a little bit. My mama. Woo. Woo. I got a feeling this motherfucker pops. Oh, it's that one. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that been sound good as hell. That motherfucker. This has been going on since like a month or a little bit before that, since I got the car. At first it was just when I was backing up. When I back up, it would be a ticking noise, but now it's like when I'm turning too, and I can, if I got my window down and I'm doing like a turn on the street, then I can hear that bitch ticking a couple times. I'm like, damn, what the hell is that? So I ain't doing my research on it too much, but I'm finna just get the professional answer. What the heck? I think y'all heard that, but that's what it's making, and I have no idea why. But I do know it's a beautiful ass day today. A beautiful ass day today. But yeah, we finna go get that checked out, man, cause it's concerning. You know, might even get here when yeah, let's see if we can hear like this. Watch. I'm just waiting for security to pull up. But listen up. It's loud as hell outside. But yeah, man, we finna check that out, man. Smokey got some explaining to do. Top of the morning. Can I get a number 3? Just the biscuit, and then can I get the 2 sausage burritos, just the burritos, and then can I get a McGriddle and that'll be that's that, man. Let me know if y'all want to see a little hooping videos inside these videos, cause I'm so willing to do that, just for fun type shit. And I don't know, might catch a couple highlights, might catch a couple bodies, but yeah, let me know if y'all want to see that. All right, y'all. So Smokey's gonna get put up for a little bit. They're gonna babysit her for a little bit, but I know and you know that I have to put it in valet mode. In the meantime, this is where Smokey originated from. And they had a whole bunch of charges over here, but now it look like it's truck season. They got some Rams right here. I'm thinking about getting me a truck though, but if I get a truck, you already know I want that T-Rex, baby. I want that T-Rex if I get a truck. We got the RT, I believe. I like this blue. I wouldn't get it though. 2021. Is it a RT? It's a SXT. It's a GT. That's crazy. Oh, it's a GT. What's up, man? How you doing? Yeah, just looking around. Dropped off my car, but yeah, just looking around. They got a purple one. Purple Scat. What y'all think about that purple though? If I give one to my girl, I'll definitely give her that purple one. We got the TA Trans Am edition with that honey mustard. Oh, I don't really like the Challengers that much, but when it comes to smoke show, when it comes to that color look nice. Start yours at 29,000. I think this is a GT. Yeah, it's a GT. Challenger. Look at this Trans Am. No, this mother look here. This shit remind me of Ricky Bobby. Shake and bake. Talgata or something like that. I think that's what the movie called. That's what this car remind me of. You know why? Because it's Trans Am edition. Classic. The SRT Brembos on there. That honey and mustard. Honey and mustard. Go ahead and start her up. Start her up for me, man. I hear it loud and clear. Be safe with it now. Be drive slow with that motherfucker now. I don't want to hear you take off in that motherfucker. Smokey! Well, he trying to hit it. He tried it. There she go. There goes Smoke Show. Smokey. My baby. All right, let's talk about what happened. 2021 Dodge Charger SRT. Scatpack. But yeah, so that's right there, man. SRT. My last video, you know, I asked people to drop the comments to let me know if y'all think it's still a RT or SRT, and according to the paperwork, according from the dealership, it's a SRT. Second of all, the ticking noise is normal. It's just, see, man, I'm just going through this new, you know, car phase and this new stuff about cars and the performances of these cars that I'm not used to. So, you know, it's good to get it checked out than not get it checked out. But the ticking noise that y'all heard, it's normal. So it's the rotors, it's the SRT brakes that's making that noise. Noise coming from two-piece performance SRT rotors. So it's the rotors that's making that noise. But I just don't like it's an ugly noise, but I guess I'll just have to get used to it now. And knowing that my car is good, then, you know, 2 thumbs up. But yeah, I'm gonna be flying out home soon, so I'm gonna be flying back home soon. So we're gonna get a lot of content in, a lot of races, because I know I've been dying to see it with my own eyes, and I know y'all been wanting to see it too. So next video, expect a race. But yeah, man. This is real life. This is RealWillDrive. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. This is a little video, man, but you know, my next video is going to be good. It's going to be fun.